Hey Jack, welcome back to another episode of CVTV Weekly. I'm Cynthia and I'm here with Savina.
Today we have a fun-filled show, and to start things off, we have a game review for two new and exciting games that are about to be released.
Hi, I'm Penny, and welcome to TBA, the part of CVT Weekly where I talk about two games that may or may not be coming out soon. First game on our list is Small Saga. Explore the world through the eyes of a mouse, trying to avenge his brother by defeating the Yellow God. Use weapons such as switchblades and lighters to fell your enemies. If you want a quick sneak peek at the game, you can play the demo that's out on Steam right now. It's about an hour long, so why not? Welcome to Card Shark, a game about cheating at poker. Make use of several methods to cheat your way to victory, using methods from real life. Just make sure you aren't caught. There will be consequences. Card Shark is set to release on all platforms within the coming year, so why not check it out once that happens? And that's it for this segment of TBA. I will see you next time.
One of our foundation here at Canyon View is diversity, and our next video features a student who isn't letting her disability stop her from love of music.
CVTV sits down with Morgan Condon as she tries to highlight and bring awareness to students on our campus who are looking for the same opportunities as everyone else.
Some people are kind of surprised that when I tell them I play guitar, so as if they're thinking disabled people can't play guitar. It's like, oh, you play guitar? That's a shock. I have a disability, so I want to inspire other people that with disabilities that want to do music, or to show that disabled people can play instruments as well. I would always watch music videos of different guitar players, and it was just something that I really latched onto. I've only been playing for about 4 months maybe. So I'm a beginner. Canyon View can be more inclusive to disabled people by treating them as if they're just a regular student and not seeing them for their disability. I want to form a band with other people with disabilities like I have, so we could show that we need more disabled people in the music industry. Well, to anyone who wants to pick up an instrument who may either have a disability or not, just do it. If you want it, if it feels good for you to do it, and if you really feel like doing it, I'd say pick it up.
Our final segment features an interview with a new club on campus that is trying to bring about change in a positive way.
Bring Change to a Mind is all about giving students a voice and helping them stay connected during their time at Canyon View.
If you find that you need to talk to another student and you feel more comfortable talking to students when you have problems or just need a friend, Bring Change to Mind is a really great organization that can do that. It's very like-minded students who would like to hear from you and are wonderful supports. And you're going to hear from some of them today.
Bring Change to Mind is a safe space on campus for you to let go of stress and anxieties and find a community amongst your peers in which you can relieve yourself of any stress and anything that has happened on campus or outside of school and find the resources you need.
My favorite part about Bring Change to Mind is how we come together as a family during our meetings. We act like a family, we support each other like a family. We don't judge each other. we try to be there for everyone, and it's a safe space overall for anyone and everyone.
That's all we got for today. See you next week. Bye, Jags!